Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. In this video, we will see how to apply RNIP application for Sault Mary. Let's see the process. For that, we have to go to my laptop. To apply for Sault Mary RNIP, you have to go to their website, which is Welcome to SSM. You can type RNIP Sault Mary in Google to search it. And when you find it, you will click on the link. This is their page. You have to click on applicant. You might have seen this page in my last videos. So once you are eligible for RNIP and you have all documentation ready, then you are ready to apply for RNIP. If you don't know the eligibility criteria for federal and community, I have made a separate video on that. And if you want to know how to fill the application form and the employer's form, I have made video on that as well. Once your documentation are ready, which are mentioned here, you can apply for RNIP by clicking here, which is fifth step. If you click here, this application form is a 3-step process. So I will show you how to fill this form by putting some dummy details. Here you have to put your last name or family name. This is your first name or given name, your email ID, your phone number, your date of birth, country of citizenship. Mine is India. Country of birth, India. Country of resident, Canada. Family status, you can select what is applicable to you. Total number of family members, including primary applicant. In my case, it was 3, my wife, my kid, and me. So you can select the number of people, including you. So I will select 3 here. You can save this form and you can continue later. But for now, I will click on next. Here you have to put employer's details, job title of primary applicant, qualifying work experience. So you have to put what you have mentioned in the application form or what is mentioned on your offer letter. So I'll select software developer, employer name, ABC. You have to give the address of the employer, which is supposed to be Sault Ste. Mary, because that's the one of the eligibility criteria that employer has to be in Sault Ste. Mary. 123 Queen Street, city, postal code, the phone number, email address, primary applicant, job offer, occupation title. Here you have to mention NOC code title as per IRCC. If you don't know that, just type NOC code Canada and go to this site. You will see this page. So if you are a software developer, for example, so just type there. And if you see here, it says software developer and programmers. So you have to select this option. This is the title. So you can copy and paste here. Here you have to select your tier. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will select 1. Here you have to fill the NOC code and same can be found from here. For example, we have taken software developer. Its tier category is 1 and this is the NOC code. So you can copy and paste here. Then you have to write your wages per hour. I'll write, for example, let's say 30. Here you have to give your start date. For example, you started last month. Then click next. And this is the last step where you have to upload all the documents. So this is employer's form. This is application form, your resume, your IELTS exam. So here is education document. So have you been educated in Canada? If you say yes, you have to upload your Canadian degree. If you say no, you have to upload your ECA. Are you in Canada with a work permit? If you say yes, you have to upload your work permit. If you say no, then you are not eligible for RNIP. So you have to have work permit, an approved work permit, I mean to say. Do you currently residing in Sault Ste. Marie? If you say yes, you have to upload a proof of residency. And if you say no, then you don't have to upload anything. And this is the additional document which is not mentioned in their website. So here you can produce a reference letter, and if you have done any volunteer activity, you can upload that document here, and this will benefit your application. So this is not a mandatory document, but it's always good to have extra document to support your file. So that's it. When you click on submit, your application will be submitted and it will go to RNIP Sault Ste. Marie, and you will receive mail confirmation from city saying that your application is submitted. And if you meet all requirement, one coordinator will call you for further steps. And this is how you apply for Sault Ste. Marie RNIP program. Hope this information is helpful for you and you are able to apply for your RNIP application. If you have any queries and doubts, you can mention in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video with more such information. Till then, bye bye, take care.